This is the TOGUARD Mini Dash Cam 1080p Full HD with 170-degree wide angle. It has a G sensor and has a 2.45 inch screen. It's small and compact and easy to install. Now let's take a look at the manual. Here you have a cable that you can plug into the camera and into your PC. Also comes with 4 sticky clips to clip to the car to pin in the cable. Here you have the power cable for the camera, which will plug into the cigarette lighter in the car. This cable will look to place in the gaps around the car, tucking in the wire so it's out of our way. You can simply plug this in and the camera powers up automatically. To save the footage, insert a micro SD card, class 10. It can be a 16GB up to a 32GB. This isn't included, but I'll leave links in the description for you to check some out. It is mentioned to format the SD card to FAT32 before using, but when I inserted the SD card it worked straight away and saved the footage, no problem. If you need more sockets like I did to maybe charge your phone and whatever else you got plugged in, I bought this to add extra sockets to the car. This you can simply plug in, gives you a sticky pad for you to stick down into the car so it doesn't move. This way I can still charge my phone and have the dash cam and extra if I need to. Now let's have a look at installing this camera into the car. You can use the clips or buy extra clips, but I'm able to wedge this cable into the gaps of the car, working my way round to the cigarette lighter. I noticed there was a rubber seal inside the car. I've managed to put the cable just inside, which seems to hold it in place firmly. I've been using this for weeks now and it hasn't moved. Now I plugged the power cable into the extra unit that I bought with extra sockets. Here we'll have a quick look through some of the options you have. The options you can move up and down, very simple and straightforward to use. All information of this dash cam I will leave in the description below. The recording will keep looping, so you'll always have a record. Here I changed to record in 5 minutes rather than 1 minute clips. I want 5-minute clips. I make a few more minor adjustments and that's me set ready to go. You can turn the recording on or off. If you set the camera to record, when you turn the car off it will obviously stop recording, and when you turn the engine back on the camera will come on automatically and start recording, so you haven't got to do anything there. This makes it easy to use and you don't have to think about it. It's very small in size and I'll have it just to the left of the rear view mirror. I bought this on eBay where the prices vary, but when I bought it it was around £35. You can also play back your videos on the dash cam like I show here. This dash cam does exactly what I need it to do. Simple to use and a camera that I would recommend to others. This video isn't sponsored. I bought this to use in my own car for my own personal use. Now let's take a look at the actual footage from the SD card. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to see more from me, and like if you like this video. And I'll see you on the next one.